by a martial coup, Meiji period began. This country, strong army, they carried out their plan to emulate the Western world, revolutionize the land. Modernize, yeah. Industrialize, yeah. Urbanize, yeah. Westernize, yeah. Spread out in the charter oath, we need enlightened rule. Standard dialect for all, a national public school. From Kyoto to Edo, new eastern capital. But now we call it Tokyo, became an urban sprawl. Modernize, yeah. Centralize, yeah. Urbanize, yeah. Westernize, yeah. To Ito. To end feudalism, call for some big reforms. Crush the samurai rebellion,